it teaches little kids how to be like a firefighter if they want to when they grow up. There's a spot where you put out fires and then where you blow stuff like hoses, I think, and then where you hit little blocks across.
It's a lot of fun. I like kind of being able to hang out with the kids. They're always a good time. It just teaches them some good skills. Some things like ropes, knots, things like that, kind of expose them to fire extinguishers, just some general safety education. And then I really like the fact that we kind of get to let them see that we're here to help them. And if they see us in a fire, they need to come to us, and just gets us just hopefully give them a good positive day and a lot of fun. And then maybe down the road, they might even think about becoming firefighters too.
It's fun and you get to learn how to be a firefighter.